FORTELION 24V battery module introduction example. Service robots. In recent years, the use of service robots in automated guided vehicles, AGV, at warehouses has expanded in order to improve productivity and overcome the challenges caused by labor shortages. The use of lead storage batteries for these devices has become popular. However, consumers had issues such as the long charging time and shorter battery life, as well as inconveniences when exchanging or carrying them due to the battery's weight. These consumer demands prompted the need to replace lead storage batteries with lithium-ion secondary batteries, which have a short charging time, longer battery life, and are more convenient when exchanging or performing maintenance work due to their light weight. Murata responded by developing the FORTELION 24V battery module that uses our unique FORTELION lithium-ion secondary battery, designed in the same size as lead storage batteries. And this module is being used at many companies. We'd like to introduce the reasons this battery is chosen along with an introduction example.
We are a robotics startup that develops the Yugo Avatar robot, a product that revolutionizes essential worker work styles to help solve the serious personnel shortage in the service industry. As our name implies in the Japanese word Yugo, the concept is integrating humans and robots, and we offer next-generation avatar robots that allow people to work remotely, automate repetitive tasks, and parallelization where multiple units can be controlled by a single person, along with our robot as a service platform. Currently, we offer a service where Yugo robots handle watching tasks and security work, such as standing guard and patrolling the premises and building maintenance. And in the future, our robots will be used not only for security, but for various tasks such as infrastructure inspection at power plants, patrolling and taking inventory at warehouses, and watching over tenants at care facilities. To reach our current stage of mass production, we carried out repeated proving tests at various buildings that replicated actual on-site usage, thereby improving the product. In the course of development, we discovered many issues related to the previous batteries used on prototypes. The first was durability. Because the robots travel to different locations, complete a task, and then recharge, the battery degraded quickly due to the repeated charge and discharge cycles in the course of a day. The second was safety. It goes without saying for battery handling, but careful consideration of safety is a must in case of problems. The third was reliability. With the battery on its own, there were limits to monitoring the battery status, which would result in performance and management reliability issues. The FORTELION 24V battery module is not only compact enough to mount on a mobile robot, but it also meets the requirements for practical implementation of robots in society, such as high performance, durability, safety, and reliability. Which is what led to us adopting this battery module for the Yugo as we move into full-scale introduction and commercialization of these robots. The high-precision, full-featured safety battery management system of the FORTELION 24V battery module allows for constant battery status monitoring, optimizing robot operations.
Going forward, we will actively engage in efforts to solve customer issues using the FORTELION 24V battery module.